Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are joining me here today. Today's video will be slightly different from my usual DIY videos. If you love shopping at Dollar Tree, like to save money, and enjoy making home decor crafts on a budget, then this video is definitely for you. Today, I will be showing you some of the treasures I found at my last Dollar Tree shopping trip. All the items I will be showing you today will be used in future DIY home decor projects. And make sure you stay until the very end because there will be a bonus clip of all the amazing craft tools that I love to use for my DIY projects. And with that said, let's begin. First up are a couple of different mirrors with decorative frames that I picked up. And you can see at the back there's hooks so you can easily connect it to a nail on the wall. They come in different designs and shapes, and the ones that I chose were silver in tone, but I do think that they also had gold tone as well. I also picked up a couple of silver frames to put pictures in, but of course you know that I won't be using them for picture frames per se. These ones are 4x6 with a couple of hooks in the back if you want to hang them on the wall, but for me, you've seen some of my DIY videos before. I tend to like to convert picture frames into glam trays and vanity trays and serving trays. So more on that in a future DIY video. I also picked up a pack of dinner plates with, this one is special. This one has a silver mirror trim at the end, which I find is pretty unique. Not quite sure what I'll be using these for, but I'll probably be embellishing them in some kind of DIY home decor video in the future. Here's another pack that comes in a pack of 6. Same design, same mirror trimming around the edges. So that will be fun to use for a future. I also picked up a few large charger plates. These come in a variety of different colors like gold, red, white. The ones I picked up, of course, are silver, which is pretty much consistent with my color theme for most of my home decor projects. And here we have a pack of 12 round small plastic bowls. I think it's a great deal. You get 12 for $1, and I'm not sure what we'll be using that for, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. Then we have a pack of 2 plastic bowls as well, also clear, and they come in a package of 2. They are larger than the other ones that come in a pack of 12. Then I saw this really large plastic bowl, clear again, and this has a curve to the rim, so a very unique design. And for this one, I actually already came up with a home decor piece. I have already done something with this bowl, so if you'd like to see that DIY video, check in the section below and I'll include the link. And here are another 2 clear plastic bowls. Again, unique design, slightly different from the other ones, and comes in a package of 2. That one I have already come up with an idea for a home decor project, so stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. And then we have a planted garden round bowl to put your succulents in, or even live plants that are not succulents like flowers. I've already done a home decor piece on that, and again, if you would like to see a video on that, check down below for the link. And then next we've got the chrome napkin holders. These ones are very versatile. I have done a DIY video on transforming a couple of these napkin holders into a crystal wall sconce, so I'll include the link down below for that as well. And then here we have a large silver mirror-like finish bowl, again scallop rim, very unique design. I've also done a home decor piece with this one, and I'll leave the link below as well for that particular video. And then next up we have a display easel. I haven't really come up with any imaginative or creative idea for this one. Right now I'm actually using the easel as an easel. they just do come in handy, and they do hold pretty well. The next one is a LED lamp with a little hook on the top, so you can hang it if you want. The on-off button is on the top as well, so very, very convenient. And it's really actually just string lights inside. They don't get hot or anything, so they're very versatile, and I will be having a lot of fun creating some DIY decor pieces with this particular item. I also picked up another extra large clear plastic round bowl, typically used for salads or mixing ingredients for baking. This one I will not be using for baking or for any purposes specifically for the kitchen. Then I found a bunch of these garden solar lights. I love using these in my DIY videos. They're very versatile. I don't always use all of the entire garden stick in a single video. Yeah, it's a lot of fun to create decor pieces with these garden lights. I know it's a little early for Christmas, but I couldn't pass up on these decorative fillers. They come with tiny little pine cones, which I find are extremely cute. And I can't wait to use these later in the year, closer to the Christmas season. Next up, when I rounded the corner, I spotted these pearls. They are gem embellishments, and they come in 3 sizes. They are pure white. They also do come in other colors like blue and pink, which I also picked up for my little niece. These ones are very easy to use because they are stickers, so they already stick on the surface. You don't need to use glue, although for me, sometimes I do reinforce them with some glue just to make sure that they don't come off after some time. Then I also spotted these silver plastic spoons. They come in a pack of 24. You guys know I love to use these spoons. I don't typically use them in the kitchen like they normally would be used. I have used them in a number of different DIY videos. They're very fun to use. And I also picked up these straws. They come in a pack of 14. These are paper straws, and they also do come in gold, and they're also fun to use, and I've already used them to decorate a vase, which I can leave the link below for you to watch the DIY video on that piece. These Crafter Square wooden dowels also come in a pack of 10. These are the long versions, and if you have any ideas of what I can use for these, please comment below. I haven't really come up with any creative ideas, so wouldn't mind any suggestions if you have any. They also do come in a separate size, about half the size of the long ones, and the shorter ones come in a pack of 15. Again, if you have any ideas on any creative ideas for home decor using either the long or short wooden dowels, I would welcome them in the comments section. And then next, I also picked up a bunch of these craft sticks or popsicle sticks. These come in a package of 100, and I've used them to create a large sunburst mirror in the past. I'll leave the link below for that DIY video as well. And then I rounded the corner and I found more pearl beads. These ones are not stickers, these are loose beads. I had never seen these before in the crafter section, so I was very excited about finding these ones and picked up several packs of them. Can't wait to use them for another DIY video. These sequin trims are also new, I think, at least in my location. Comes in a pack of 2, silver and gold. I know that I typically will do decor projects with silver, but I may just get a little fancy and try out the gold sequins as well. And then I saw the sequins applique and was very excited because I had never seen these before. So these are iron-on art. They come in different pictures. I did choose the cat one or the tiger one, and I'll have to figure out how I'm going to incorporate that into my home decor. Then I found in the storage area these waste baskets. They do come in both black and white. I have converted one waste basket in a previous DIY video, to a lantern, which I can leave the link below, and I will be coming out with other ideas to use these waste baskets. These chopping mats were available in the kitchen section. They come in a pack of 2. Again, very versatile, and I'll be using them in a variety of DIY videos as well. I also found these twisted poly ropes. They come in 25 feet length, so a pretty generous length to have in a single package. And I already know what I'll be doing with these packs of ropes for a future home decor project. I also grabbed these extra large silver plastic spoons and forks. They come as a pair, and I'll be coming up with some interesting ideas on how to glam those 2 pieces up. I also found these coffee mugs in a pack of 4. What got my attention was not the cups themselves, but the silver rim and the silver handle. So I think I might actually be taking these cups apart and using the pieces separately in a few different home decor pieces for the future. I also found these amazing placemats for the kitchen. They are silver on one side and they're white on the other side. I am excited to use these for a couple of different home decor projects in the near future, so stay tuned for those. I've got some great ideas for them. I also grabbed this ice bucket. It has a chrome mirror-like finish. I'm still trying to figure out what I will be doing with this ice bucket. If you have any ideas, I welcome some comments in the comment section down below. I also found these plates. It comes in a pack of 8. They are flat plates with some silver looking specks, and I'll be coming up with some ideas for how to use those. On the way out, before I reached the cash register, I found this glitter paper roll. It only came in gold from what I could find, so I'll be checking out another Dollar Tree location for silver version. Then I picked up some additional pearls. These are loose pearl beads, and some bottles of silver glitter. You know, I like to use the silver glitter in a lot of my projects. They always come in handy, so can't wait to use those as well. And I think I showed you the black wastebasket earlier. Here's the white version, and I already have an idea of how to use the white version of the wastebasket, so stay tuned for that in a DIY video coming soon. And as promised, we've reached the bonus section, and here are some of my favorite tools that I like to use in most of my DIY projects. This is a large bottle of white glue. Jot brand is amazing. I picked up several of these, and they do actually dry in clear, so even if they come out in white, once they dry, you won't be able to see the glue. And while we're on the topic of glue, here's another one of my favorite glues from Dollar Tree. It's the Fix All adhesive, and it provides more of a permanent hold. It comes out clear and dries clear, and it's very, very good if you want a firm hold on the items that you're gluing together. I also picked up a few bottles of this craft glue, which also comes in clear. I've never actually used this one, but there is a similar one which is a little more tacky, so I'm hoping that this one is pretty much the same thing, just with a different branding. And then I found a bunch of bottles of woodwork glue, although I don't typically work with a lot of wood per se, but once in a while I do enjoy building something with the Jenga blocks, which is also available at Dollar Tree, so this one may also come in handy. And finally, the last item that I really favor from the Dollar Tree is their packs of batteries. This one is a pack of AAA, comes in a pack of 4. They also offer AA batteries and D batteries as well, so very useful. And that brings us to the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and stay tuned to see all the Glam home decor pieces that I will make from my Dollar Tree purchases. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY Glam project. In the meantime, I'll leave you with a few clips of the Dollar Tree aisles so you can browse too. Comment down below and let me know which is your favorite section to shop at the Dollar Tree. See you all soon!